In this video, as a manager, I'm going to help you realise that you cannot physically do everything. My name's David Yeabsley. Welcome to the Future Proof Yourself channel. It's all about helping you to stay relevant and value for the rest of your working career. Now, if that sounds of interest and you'd like more content, please subscribe and we can work together on your future proofing journey. So as a manager, sometimes we think we have to do everything. Well, it's certainly not the case. There's a couple of questions I want you to ask yourself on a very, very regular basis. The first one is, should I be doing this? I need to delegate it. Well, crack on and delegate it. The second question to think is this a really good use of my time? Remember, as soon as you end up doing your people's work for them, you become an expensive whatever they are. And every time you say to them, oh, don't worry, leave it with me, guess who ends up working rather long hours? There's only 168 hours a week. Do you really want to spend all that time doing activities that you shouldn't be doing? So please think about this. So you're really good at what you do. Well, actually, let's change that. You're brilliant at what you do. Now, let's change that. You're absolutely incredibly brilliant at what you do, but you cannot do everything. So please remember, you're not employed to do your people's work for them. You're there to enable them to do their own work. Okay, point number one. Point number two is you're not there to do their thinking. You're there to get them to think for themselves. So those 2 points are really very valuable for you to be effective in your management career, because otherwise your people are going to keep just passing stuff over to you. They're never going to grow, they're never going to develop, and there's going to be never any succession planning. Plus also, if you take on more people, guess who's going to be doing more work? Aha, you've guessed it, you. Yeah, and you don't need that to happen. So many managers say to me, I couldn't possibly take on more people. Of course you can, you just create a structure. It's called management. Yeah, it's not doing it for them. So please remember that. I'm just going to go through them one more time. Please remember, you're not employed to do their work for them. You are employed to enable them to work for themselves. And you're not employed to do their thinking. You're employed to enable them to think for themselves. Okay? So you're great at what you do, get even better. So that will free up more time for you to get on and do more important things and think about how you're going to develop and add more value to your business. So this is a whole host of different management videos that please, look around the site, look at all the content, and hopefully if there's some great videos for you to improve your management skills. But if you ever want to have a conversation about this or need further coaching on this, please get in contact. Be more than happy to help out. Thank you for your time.